Baby Hazel Nursery Rhymes. Ring the bells.
Ring, ring, ring the bells, ring them loud and clear, to say to people everywhere that Christmas time is here. Ring, ring, ring the bells, ring them loud and clear, to say to people everywhere that Christmas time is here.
Santa song.
I'm a little Santa, short and fat. Here is my beard and here is my sack. On Christmas Eve I hop in my sleigh with a ho, 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 I'm on my way. Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho!
Little reindeer.
One little, two little, three little reindeer, four little, five little, six little reindeer, seven little, eight little, nine little reindeer, pulling Santa's sleigh.
Ho, ho, ho! One little, two little, three little reindeer, four little, five little, six little reindeer, seven little, eight little, nine little reindeer, pulling Santa's sleigh.
Winter snowfall.
Snow is on the housetop. Snow is on the ground. Snow is on the mountain. Snow is all around. Here is my snowman, big and round. When the sun comes out, he'll melt to the ground. So stay away, sun, don't shine today. My snowman and I want to play. A chubby little snowman had a carrot nose. Along came a bunny, and what do you suppose? That hungry little bunny, looking for his lunch, ate the snowman's carrot nose. Nibble, nibble, crunch. Snow is on the housetop. Snow is on the ground. Snow is on the mountain. Snow is all around. Snow is on the housetop. Snow is on the ground. Snow is on the mountain. Snow is all around.
Five little monsters.
Princess, look at these little monsters. And they look very mischievous. Can you count how many monsters are there? 1 monster, 2 monsters, 3 monsters, 4 monsters, 5 monsters.
There are 5 baby monsters.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 little monsters jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. The king called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monsters jumping on the bed." Jumping on the bed. Jumping on the bed. Bumping on the head. Bumping on the head. Jumping on the bed. Bumping on the head. 4 little monsters jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Princess called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monsters jumping on the bed." How many monsters left? Count with me.
1, 2, 3. There are 3 monsters.
3 little monsters jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Queen called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monsters jumping on the bed." Number 5, number 4, number 3. How many monsters left? Count with me. 1, 2. There are 2 monsters. Yeah. 2 little monsters jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. The prince called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monsters jumping on the bed." Jumping on the bed. Jumping on the bed. Bumping on the head. Bumping on the head. Jumping on the bed. Bumping on the head. 1 little monster jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Everyone called the doctor and the doctor said, "Put those monsters straight to bed." Let's count. How many monsters back to bed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
Harvest time.
Harvest time is here again. In the garden we must dig. Carrots, radishes, onions too. Also fresh and yummy too. Harvest time is here again.
as you can. Mix it and stir it and bake it just right. Good from the first to the very last bite. Mmm. Write his name with lots of care and top with candies here and there. Patter king, baker's man, bake me your cake as fast as you can. Prick it and price it and mark it with M, and put it in the oven for baby and me. And put it in the oven for baby and me. And put it in the oven for baby.